Hello everyone, good morning and Jai Hind to all of you. So previously we have completed exercise number 3.5. Now let's move to the exercise number 3.6. Number 1. Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So first we need to reduce the given linear equations and make it in standard form. After that solve by any method and we will get the particular values of x and y. So first 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y equals to 2. 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y equals to 2. And second equation 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y, 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y equals to 13 upon 6. Okay, so you can see here variables is in the denominator, right? So x 1 upon 2x, x is in denominator, y also is in denominator. Here x and y both are in denominators, right? But our standard form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. That means variables जो है वो denominators में नहीं होनी चाहिए. So first make this equation in general form, convert this, and after that we solve these equations, right? So first let us suppose 1 upon x equals to a and 1 upon y equals to b. Why? So if we suppose 1 upon x equals to a and 1 upon y equals to b, then these two linear equations reduces to 1 upon x, that is a by 2, plus 1 upon y is b by 3 equals to 2. So you can see now our variables are a and b. Okay, now 2 and 3, so LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, right? So we get here 3a plus 2b equals to 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12. So this is our equation number 1. Okay, so from this equation we reduced it to this form, right, by changing variables, right? So similarly for the second equation 1 upon x is a, so a by 3 plus b by y 2 equals to 13 upon 6. Similarly LCM of 3 and 2 is 6, so our equation will be 2a plus 3b equals to 3 2s are 6, which goes to multiplication here. So 13 upon 6 into 6, so 6 6 cut, so remains only 13. So this is equation number 2, right? So you can see both are in general form, and if we solve these two equations then we get the values of a and b. So after that substitute values of a and b here, so you get the value of x and the value of y. Okay, so by any method you can solve this, right? I prefer elimination method, right? So here 3 and 2, so LCM is 6, so multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3 and then eliminate them. So 6a plus 2 2s are 4b equals to 12 2s are 24. Now multiply this by 3, so 3 2s are 6a plus 3 3s are 9b equals to 13 3s are 39. Okay, now change the sign, minus minus minus. Now 6a minus 6a cut. 4b minus 90, that is minus 5b, equals to 24 minus 39. Okay, so minus 39 by 9 minus 4 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1, so answer is minus 15. Therefore b equals to minus 15 upon 5, so 5 3s are 15, so value of b is 3. Now put the value of b in an equation. So from 1 3a plus 2b, b is 3, equals to 12. Now 3a plus 2 3s are 6, equals to 12. Therefore 3a equals to 12 minus 6 is 6, and therefore a equals to 6 by 3, that is 2. Right? So here value of b is 3 and a is 2. Now what is our supposition? 1 upon x is a and 1 upon y is b. Right? So 1 upon x equals to a. Therefore 1 upon x equals to, what is a? A is 2. Right? Yes. And therefore x equals to 1 by 2. So this is the value of x. Right? Now same for the y. 1 upon y equals to b. So 1 upon y equals to b. Therefore 1 upon y, what is b? B is 3, right? So therefore y equals to 1 by 3. Okay, so this is the value of y. So first we get the value of a and the value of b. After that substitute in our supposition, जो हमने assumption लिया था यहाँ पे, क्योंकि आपको जो variables given थे वो fraction form थे. And general form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Variables denominators में नहीं होते, right? So first हमने fraction form को suppose कर लिया. Why? Because reduce it to this general form, so we get the value of a and b, because there are two variables a and b. Okay, so by elimination method we get the value of a and b. After put it in our assumption, then we get the value of x and y. Okay, so this type of linear equations you can solve by this method. Okay, there are total 8 sums you can see. Okay, and different supposition you have to take, right? Number 2, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equals to 2, and second equation 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equals to minus 1. Okay, see, 2 by root x by root x plus 3 by root y equals to 2. Okay, so here you need to suppose 1 upon root x equals to a and 1 upon root y equals to b. So your equation will be 2a plus 3b equals to 2. So this is your first linear equation, and similarly you can make second linear equation also. After that solve linear equations by any suitable method, and then put value of a here, right? Suppose you get value of a is 2. For an example, आपको a की वैल्यू यहाँ पे 2 मिली, right? So 1 upon root x is 2. Therefore root x equals to 1 by 2. But we need value of x. So for that we need to squaring both the sides. So if we square both the sides, then we get x equals to 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. And here square and square root cut हो जाएगा, so remains only x, right? So x equals to 1 by 4. Okay, so at the end you need to square in both of them. Okay, and then after you will get the values of x and y. Okay, similarly number 3, 4 upon x plus 3y equals to 40. So 3y is in जनरल फॉर्म ऑलरेडी, वहां पे वो 3y जो है वो सेट ही है. आपको 4 upon x जो है उसको कन्वर्ट करना है. दैट मींस वी नीड टू सपोज ओनली 1 upon x equals to a, right? So our first equation goes to 4a plus 3y equals to 14 and 3a minus 4y equals to 23. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपको x की जगह पे a की वैल्यू एंड y की वैल्यू, a एंड y दोनों की वैल्यूज मिल जाएगी. आफ्टर दैट वैल्यू ऑफ a जो है वो अजम्पशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करो 1 upon x equals to a में, so you will get the value of x, right? Number 4, 5 upon x minus 1, 1 upon y minus 2 equals to 2. Five upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 equals to 2. Okay, so here you need to suppose not only 1 upon x, because there is x minus 1. ओके, एक टर्म x minus 1 है, वहां पे सेपरेटली यहाँ पे जैसे x था, y था, यहाँ पे रूट x रूट y, ऐसा नहीं है, वहां पे उसके साथ -1 भी है, and similarly here -2 with y, right? So we need to suppose 1 upon x minus 1 is a and 1 upon y minus 2 is b. So our equation reduces to 5a plus 1, that is only b equals to 2. So 5a plus b equals to 2, which is our first equation. Similarly you can make second also, right? Fifth one, 7x minus 2y. Okay, quite different. Sorry, 7x minus 2y upon xy equals to 5. So separate this xy to 7x and 2y also. So we get 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy equals to 5. Right? Now cut x, y, y. So we get 7 upon y minus 2 upon x equals to 5. Okay? And after that 1 upon y is b, 1 upon x is a. Okay? So we will get this type of linear equation here. Similarly you can make second also. Okay, sixth one, same as fifth, but difference is xy is in right side. So first we take it left, that means it will क्या हो जाएगा वो get in denominator, right? So 6x plus 3y equals to 6xy. So take this xy from multiplication to division. So 6x plus 3y upon xy equals to 6. Right? Now again separate this procedure. Okay? So you will get 6 upon y plus 3 upon x equals to 6. After that 1 upon x is a, 1 upon y is b. Okay? Similarly, number 7, you need to suppose 1 upon, yes, 1 upon x plus y and 1 upon x minus y. That means there are two variables in the form of combination, right? X plus y, x minus y. Still, अभी तक 1 upon x, 1 upon root x, 1 upon x minus 1, y minus 2 separately एक टर्म में एक ही वेरिएबल था, but here 1 upon x minus y and 1 upon x plus y. Okay, so there are two variables. supposition is set 1 upon x plus y is a, 1 upon x minus y is b, but you need to solve this. that means यहाँ पे हमने ये दोनों इक्वेशंस जो सॉल्व की उसमें एलिमिनेशन या तो सब्स्टिट्यूशन या तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन वो एक ही बार करनी पड़ेगी, बट हियर वी नीड टू सॉल्व लीनियर इक्वेशंस टू टाइम्स, राइट? सो लेट्स सी नंबर 7. Tan upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y equals to 4, and second equation 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y equals to minus. Okay, now first supposition write down. सपोज कीजिए, पहले क्या सपोज करेंगे? yes, so 1 upon x plus y is a. okay, so let 1 upon x plus y equals to a and 1 upon x minus y equals to b, right? Now, so our first linear equation tan upon x plus y, but 1 upon x plus y is a, so our equation is tan a plus 2b equals to 4, and second 15a minus 5b equals to minus 2. Equation number 2, right? Yes, take 2 as common here. So it will be 5a plus b equals to 2 goes to denominator, so 4 by 2 is 2. So equation number 1. Okay, 5a plus b equals to 2. यहाँ पे भी 5 कॉमन आ सकता है, but equation will be 3a minus b equals to minus 2 by 5. So यहाँ पे फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म हो जाएगा. So जब आप एलिमिनेशन मेथड यूज करोगे तब आपको कैलकुलेशन में थोड़ा लेंथी हो जाएगा LCM एंड ऑल. ठीक है, so it's better as it is रखें इसको, right? Now from 1 and 2 again by elimination method. So 5a here 15, so make it equal first coefficients. So make this 5 to 15, so we need to multiply equation 1 by 3, right? So multiply equation 1 by 3 and 2 as it is, that means multiply by 1 and then eliminate that. So we get multiply by 3, that is 15a plus 3b equals to 6. Second equation as it is 15a minus 5b equals to minus 2. Right? Now change the sign, minus plus plus. 15a cut. 3 plus 5, 8b equals to 6 plus 2, 8. Therefore b equals to 8 upon 8 is 1. B is 1. Now from 1 5 5a plus b, that is 5a plus 1 equals to 2. 5a plus 1 equals to 2. Therefore 5a equals to 2 minus 1 is 1, right? And therefore a equals to 1 by 5. Now we have values of a and b. Now substitute these values in our assumption. So 1 upon x plus y equals to a. So 1 upon x plus y equals to a. What is a? A is 1 by 5. Now reciprocal of both the sides. So x plus y equals to 5. This is your equation number 3. Now 1 upon x minus y is b. So 1 upon x minus y. What is b? B is 1. So we can write as 1 upon 1 also, and therefore our fourth equation will be x minus y equals to 1. Okay. Now again we have pair of linear equations, x plus y equals to 5 and x minus y equals to 1. So again solve this two linear equation by any suitable method, and then we get the values of x and y. Okay. So first time and second time for these two linear equations. Okay. So two times आपको linear equations को any method से solve कर सकते हो, and then you get the values of x and y. Whenever there are two variables here, okay, x y, right? Similarly, number 8, you can suppose 1 upon 3x plus y is a and 1 upon 3x minus y is b. So first equation is a plus b equals to 3 by 4, and second is a by 2 minus b by 2 equals to minus 1 by 8, right? So this is the reducing method कि कैसे आपको डिनोमिनेटर्स में अगर वेरिएबल्स गिवन है, so how to reduce linear equations and solve them. So your today's homework is complete question number 1 of exercise number 3.6, right? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इसके अंदर 8 सम्स है, वो आपको कंप्लीट करना है. So this is your today's homework. Okay, so see you in next lecture with the most important sums. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care.